TimberSurf here with unusually a little look at some of the bargains that I recently picked up at a toy fair that I went to recently. And the first one being some Pico 100 code concrete sleeper track. In fact, 3 bundles of it, 2 with 5 in and the third one with 6. Admittedly not all full length, but that's a good chunk of track for a bargain price of £15. I also spotted some maroon and cream carriages. They're not the normal Mark 1s, they are, I think, ex-GWR teaks, painted in BR blue. But £10 a piece, 25 quid for the 3. I thought I can't really refuse that, less than £8 a pop. And then, of course, you can never have enough cars. I probably got more than 100, but I'm estimating I'm probably going to need about 300 or 400. So whenever I can pick them up, I always take the chance when I see them at this sort of price. And especially as they recently, the £4 or £5 for Carrarama cars has shot up to people wanting £6 or £7. So that makes it a really good bargain. And then, of course, my favourite Wagons mainline. Spotted these two that I'm collecting large rakes of. It's pretty good prices. Going price is probably £8 plus. So they were a pretty good deal. And then at another dealer, I spotted this in a bucket underneath the table, unboxed. But it's one of the 2 of my most favourite wagons. And it's at £4. Well, there was no way we were going to turn that down even without the box. I also found on the same stall a couple more, again ones that I collect. Couldn't refuse this given that it came with a free figure and at that price. And then another one that I collect and I'm building a big rake of. So that was a pretty good deal for the 3 of those. But I also found a little blue tanker underneath the table in one of those junk boxes, and I offered these up to the stall holder and said how much did he want, and he said 20 quid, and I thought he meant for the charge, which I know is probably worth about £105 new. So I was quite happy and was about to hand over 2 20s when he just took one of them, because he meant it was 20 quid for the lot. Yep, that has to be probably one of the best bargains I've ever had. That's about it for me. I'll see you in the next one. So, ciao for now.